Ever wish you could re-delete your Snapchat messages? Here's what you can do to try to see them, and a few honest facts you should know. Let's get in. Launch your Snapchat. Now, click on the avatar icon given at the top left. Once you're on your profile page, click on the settings icon given at the top right. Now here you can find different section. Scroll down. Under privacy controls, you'll find the option My Data. Click on that. Now you might be prompted to enter your Snapchat account's credentials to log in. Once you do that, you'll be directed to this page, Data Available for Download. From here, check in for the option Chat History. Along with that, you can check in for any other option that you want to download, memories and other media, user information or anything. Likewise, select the format, then click on Next. Now select the date range, then click on Submit. Now it's gonna take a while to be prepared. Once your data is ready, you will be notified through the email address that is linked with your Snapchat account. Once you are notified and you got the file, you can launch it, and that file will include all the deleted messages as well. So this way you can check deleted messages on Snapchat. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.